Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to install your extended butt pad on your KS7 or your KSG. Okay, so the tools you're going to need are a Phillips head screwdriver or some sort of a punch. This is for removing your assembly pins. We have a 2.5 size Allen key. This does come with your extended butt pad. And then of course we have the butt pad itself. And as always, your safety glasses. Doesn't matter if it's your KSG or KS7, make sure it's on safe. Go ahead and open the chamber, get a visual inspection inside. There's nothing in the chamber and there's nothing in the magazine tubes, and there's no ammunition in our workspace here. So once again, I'm using a Phillips head screwdriver. Way to go, Philip. I'm going to push my assembly pins out first. You don't necessarily have to disassemble the entire gun. And don't forget, in your grip, you've got 2 holes to hold your assembly pins to make sure you don't lose them in your workspace. So once you got the pins out, go ahead and bump the stock towards the rear. It should pop right out for you. And go ahead and put the rest of the shotgun down. This is the only part you're going to be working with. All right, now that we have the buttstock off, we can go ahead and take the butt pad off. On the KS7, there's 4 screws that you need to loosen. You do not have to take the screws out. You just have to get them loose. And on the KSG, there's 5 screws. You turn the screws about 4 or 5 times, should loosen them up just enough for you to pull the butt pad out. Just get a good grip on the stock itself, and then you'll want to pry the butt pad off. It should come off fairly easily. And then to install your extended butt pad, start with the top, and I go ahead and feed the top in, and then just keep applying pressure until it seats all the way around in the stock, and then you can go ahead and tighten your screws. All right, that's it guys. I have my extended butt pad on my KS7 installed. I'm going to reassemble it. If you have any questions on how to disassemble or reassemble your KSG or KS7, please check out your manual. All the instructions are in there step by step. It makes it really easy for you. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back together, load it up with some slugs, take it to the range, and have a good time.